Okay, welcome to 50 Social Media Strategies, the power of social media in your marketing. Now, in this very first strategy, we're going to be talking about Facebook. And as we talk about Facebook, we're going to be talking about primarily about something that you should consider not doing on Facebook. And we want to encourage or discourage the use of Facebook as a direct selling tool. So you don't necessarily want to use Facebook in order to spread your links so that people will see them and buy from you. Now, you will want to do that, but you don't want to use Facebook solely for that purpose, because people will run from you and you'll have no one to sell to. And this is an awesome method of being able to build a following of people that will buy from you. You just don't want to use Facebook in order to slam them with your links. You should be cultivating your audiences on purpose. In other words, you should be working within the niche. You should be gathering people that are going to be interested in your content. It's a cultivation process. So you don't want to just take everyone just because they request you or just because you see them and Facebook suggests them to you. You should be cultivating. You should be taking people on purpose. Now, your audience should be conditioned to know what you are sharing, right? So while you may not necessarily want to give offers all the time, you can do them once your audience knows what to expect. And you start the process by getting people who you want to be connected with, as opposed to getting people who are close by or convenient to connect to, and then you condition them as to what you're going to be sharing. Now, there are going to be times when you can share links direct to a sales page, but this should not be the way you're doing business on social media, because, again, you're building a following, you're building a community, you're building a brand, and the way you do that, of course, is you find out what the needs are of other people. Now, whenever you are going to decide to share links, those links should be preceded by at least 3 helpful posts. So if you're going to send out your newsletter, if you're going to send out your sales page, make sure you've helped people at least 3 times before you actually do it. Now, if you're going to do send out sales messages on a regular basis, this is a rule of thumb. If you're not going to do that, be in the habit of being active and sharing helpful content. And it will help you. It will help you actually when you do send an offer to those who are part of your social media following. Okay, and the other thing you want to do is you also want to include in there a helpful personal post, and talk about some personal aspect of your business that will connect people to you. People want to know that you're a real person. They want to know that you are like them and that they can relate to you and that you can relate to them. So do what you can to get at least one personal post in there with respect to your business. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.